What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we want to talk about the gas that I use in my 392. I'm not gonna make this video super long. People just be skipping through the videos anyway, so I'm not gonna make this super stupid long. Basically, man, the reason why I don't use 87 or 89, not even 91, and I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. In my RT, when I first got my RT, I was putting 87 in my RT. Now, for what I understand, they say you can use, they recommend 89, but you can use 87. But when I was putting 87 in my RT, let me get out of here. Gotta love that. Oh, man. Roll those windows up. But anyway, man, like I was saying, when I was putting 87 in my RT rolled like crap. I mean, it got to the point, you're gonna really pull out in front of me, bro? Really? Come on, Slim. It threw me off with that. Bam was about to pull right out in front of me. When I put 87 in my RT, that car rolled like crap, bro. And I was thinking because it was a 5.7 that it didn't matter. And trust me, that junk rolled. It was so bad, I called the dealership, was like, look, man, I'm ready to bring this car back. Something wrong with it. And he was like, okay, bring it back, we'll check it out. But what I did was I drove all the gas out. I drove all that 87 out of the car. And I put 89 in there. So when I put the 89 in, the car rolled perfect. I mean, I had zero issues. And I say from now on, and the V8, I'm not putting nothing but 89 or above. And I know in these 6.4s, you gotta put 93, bro. So if you get ready to buy a SCAT or you have a SCAT, I recommend that you put 93. I know some places, some states, they only got 91 as the highest. But whatever the highest octane is, that's what you need to put in your SCAT, bro. And we ain't gonna talk about the HELLCAT. Everybody know you gotta put the highest in the HELLCAT. I mean, that goes without saying. So that's what I put in my SCAT, man, is 93. Don't put anything else, anything less than that in there, because the car will ride like crap. You know what I'm saying? And people will say that'll cause your car to get the Hemi tick. I don't think the gas has anything to do with getting the Hemi tick. I think that's something completely different. I'm not sure. Leave a comment. Let me know if that's the reason. But I'm not even going to ever find out if that's the reason, because I'm going to always put 93 in my joint. You know what I'm saying? So again, if this is your first time on my channel, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm not going to make this video super long because people ain't going to do nothing but skip through it. So if the video is short, guys, so hit the like button so this video can get around. And I'm gonna look in the manual and I'm gonna put that up on the screen, what the manual suggests. Actually, I think I can use the car and do it. Let's see real quick. Hit the like button, guys. All right, guys, if you made it to this part of the video, I'm gonna show you where you can go in the car and find out what kind of gas you're supposed to put in. Hit the vehicle user guide. And it has vehicle operation, vehicle maintenance, emergency support, radio, phone, got a whole bunch of stuff. So we're gonna go to, see if we can search, let's put gas and see if it come up. This is actually my first time using this. I knew this was in here, but never really needed to use it. So let's see. All right, gas, there you go. Gasoline, let's see. Let's see what else we got on here. Refueling, that's probably where we need to go. See what it says. Oh, that's just showing you how to do it. Let's see if it tell you what the gas it recommends. Let's see, go. Warning, never smoke. We all know that. Low fuel, E85, flex fuel selection, fuel capacity 6.4. I don't see. Designated top-tier detergent gasoline contains a high level of detergents to further aid in minimizing engine and fuel system deposits. When available, the usage of top-tier detergent gasoline is recommended. Visit toptiergas.com for a list of top-tier detergent gasoline retailers. See, there it is. It's telling you to always use the top-tier gasoline. Indiscriminate use of fuel system cleaning agents should be avoided. Many of these materials intended for gum and varnish removal may contain active solvents or similar ingredients. These can harm fuel system gaskets and diaphragm materials. So there it is, guys. It's telling you not to use that cheap gas. But we want to see if it says, it doesn't necessarily give the octane, but top tier, you know that means the highest level. So there it is, guys, basically telling you to only use the top tier gas. And it gives you all kinds of information about gas on here, man. So this is very helpful if you're confused. Just go into your apps section and you got all the information you need about gas right there. I'm not about to read all this, but the way you get to it is you go to apps and go to vehicle user guide, and boom. And you'll go to search and type in gas, and it'll tell you exactly what gas you should use in your car. So I hope that helped, guys. If you made it this far through the video, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Again, hit the like button for me. Subscribe. Make sure y'all putting the top gas in your daggone 392 HELLCAT, even your 5.7. I'm not sure about the V6s. When I had my V6, I used 87, so I never had any problems. So hit the like button, guys. Subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.